All right, I finally decided that the problem was in this connector right here that used to plug into the back of the ignition switch. The wires on the back of that connector were worn and not nice, and finally I decided the pins were probably corroded or not hooked tightly. So I pulled it off and I took the only two wires that were being used, which is the brown and white and the black, and I took individual pins from a connector collection I have and put them onto the two pins that are used. All the rest of the pins on this switch are not used, are not live, do not do anything, are not dangerous. They're fine just like that, hanging out in the wind. So no problem there. And running the two wires directly into the circuitry of the bike, I was now able to move the wires around as much as I want, just smushing them all over the place, and never once got an indication of the flashing light going back to the ignition circuit. So whatever this problem was is fixed. Now we just need to decide if it is the problem that was causing your poor running. Was it vibration on this connector interrupting the ignition at speed? So I'm going to button everything up, put it all back together, and then fire the bike up. I'll test ride it, and then I'll come over and let you test. I'll have you come over and test ride it, and maybe ride it for a while and see what happens. And that is all.